welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn what happened if the video of Spotify Wrraped not appears in your Spotify application. So that problem appears because for two reasons. The first reason is maybe Spotify don't get the enough option for the enough information for create that summary of the Wrraped. Maybe you don't use enough the Spotify, or don't complete the limit for Spotify to create that summary of the Wrraped in the year. So in that case, that things happen. You need to use more Spotify for that summary for Wrraped. And the second option is you need to verify if you got the ultimate option in the ultimate upload actualization on the application. You go to Play Store, and here in Play Store you need to go to the Spotify app, and you need to verify if in that blue button set upload and don't set that of open. You need to verify if you got actualization for activate or not. So the two options. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.